Hello everyone, welcome to Reshu House. On this beautiful occasion of Diwali, let us know how to light divas and also how to prepare before lighting them. Light symbolizes wisdom and Diwali is the festival of lights. So this is why I love Diwali. Let me know in the comment section why you love Diwali. Coming back to the video, I've bought some divas from the market which are made out of mud clay. And now let's prepare these divas for lighting them. I've bought this thing shown in the video assuming this to be a diya guys. But no, this is used as an air diffuser and I'm gonna show how this is also to be used. They nicely gave a little compartment to pour some oil and lit the diya, but that is not how it works. I will also tell you the reason why it did not work for me. Let's start preparing the diyas for the Diwali night. Take a bucket of water and place all the mud diyas into the water. This preparation for the mud diyas is very necessary so that they don't absorb more oil when we pour them into the diyas. This process in turn cleans up the diyas for a beautiful finished look. The mud diyas start absorbing the water and leave behind the air bubbles. When all the diyas are soaked into the water, leave them still for 2 to 4 hours. Friends, you will need at least 6 hours to prepare these diyas and light them in the evening. So be prepared for the Diwali night. After 2 to 4 hours of soaking the diyas, take them out of the water and place them on 2 folded clean cloth so that the cloth absorbs all the extra moisture. Friends, this may not be an innovative idea created by myself, but I wanted to show you how the diyas are prepared before lighting. And this video may be helpful for the beginners. This is how neat they look after they are soaked and dried. As we look into the diya, they are completely dried out and these are very perfect for lighting lamps that hold oil without absorbing it. Now stack all the diyas one over the other in a safe place until we use them. We are almost done preparing the diyas. Now let's see how they work after the preparation that we have done. Generally, people use ghee or sesame oil for lighting the diyas. Here I am using sesame oil. I prepared a thread myself using cotton to see how beautifully it lights up. Yes, that lamp actually lighted up, but when I closed it with the lid, it lighted for a few seconds and then got put off. So guys, any shape of diya you use, this is how you add some oil and dip it with a cotton thread to light it up. That looked amazingly beautiful. To make it more lively, we can add some water in the surrounding compartment and add some flower petals over it to make it more beautiful. Fire needs oxygen to burn and light guys. When I closed it with the lid, I think it is not sufficient with the oxygen levels. So this diya is perfect without lid and with lid it is perfect as a diffuser. Now let's check the other type of diya if it is absorbing oil or not when it is used. I poured some oil and lit it with a thread, and guys, even after half an hour of lighting, it did not absorb any oil. So our preparation helped it very beautifully. Guys, always make sure that the thread in the diya is always vertical to make it light bright. I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Do like, share, subscribe and comment if you liked the video, and thank you for watching.